There are 6 1-star skill moves in FC24, and any player of any position can perform them. I'm going to show you how to do them on the PlayStation and the Xbox. How to do the first time feint turn. So if you're on the PlayStation, you want to hold down L1, R1 and flick the left stick down. If you're on the Xbox, you want to hold down the LB, the RB and flick the left stick down. Sometimes, when you try it, you may do a step over instead. However, it will be effective of getting round the player. How to do the directional nutmeg. This can be done in 4 different directions: up, down, left and right. So if you're on the PlayStation, you want to hold down L1, R1 and the right stick in any direction. If you're on the Xbox, you want LB, RB and the right stick in any direction. You can use this to go round the keeper also. How to do the ball juggle. This is really simple. On the PlayStation, you want to hold L2 and tap R1. And on the Xbox, you want to hold down LT and tap RB. How to do the open up fake shot left. On the PlayStation, you want to hold down L1, then press square or circle, then tap X, plus the left stick to the top left diagonally. On the Xbox, you want to hold down LB, plus X or B, then tap A, plus the left stick to the top left diagonally. How to do the open up fake shot right. On the PlayStation, you want to hold down L1, then press square or circle, then X, plus the left stick to the top right diagonally. On the Xbox, you want to hold down LB, plus X, RB, and then A, plus the left stick to the top right diagonally. How to flick up for a volley. On the PlayStation, press the right stick. On the Xbox, press the right stick. When you're running, you can flick the ball up for a volley for a shot on goal. Have you mastered all the 1-star skill moves in FC24? Well, check out this video here for all the 2-star skill moves and see if you can master them as well.